The mask did have a tightening effect and it did dry. I'm going to wash it off with warm water and pat it dry with my napkin. My face feels sticky. So I'm rubbing off any excess water, making sure I don't have no product on my face. Checking out the results. I kept the banana and honey mask on for 20 minutes and washed it off with lukewarm water. You definitely want to remember to get under the chin to remove any excess mask. Okay. So other than the cotton on my face, I think my face looks really good. I'm gonna be brand new by the end of my skincare journey, y'all. Operation Restore the Face card is uploading. And follow Loose Massage Therapy Plus for more resources and tips.